Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome to a Walgreens haul for this week. These deals go from December 15th until the 21st. So I remembered my crown today. I have my, if you can see, they blinky little Christmas earrings on. So I'm ready to go inside and get some really amazing deals. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Today, we will be getting about $91 of product value. And I will be using quite a bit of points today, but I do have that percentage off booster like I went over in the must-do deals and in the Walgreens ad preview. So make sure you guys check your accounts and clip that % off coupon. Every single account is either gonna get 10%, 20%, or 30% off their purchase this week. So I'm really excited about that. That's why my haul is gonna be so big instead of breaking it up into different transactions, because I wanted to use that 20% off of the entire haul. Otherwise, that coupon is only valid for one transaction. So if you do 2 transactions, your % off coupon is only gonna apply to your first transaction. So just keep that in mind. I will be using quite a bit of points today, but I will have a printable breakdown in the description box below, so feel free to mix and match whatever deals you guys need. The only reason why I'm doing all these deals is because the way you can use points is either $1, $5, $10, $20, or $50. So if I even take out 1 or 2 deals, then I would only be able to use $20 in points, and then my out-of-pocket would be pretty high. And I don't like to do that. I like to try to get my out-of-pocket as low as possible. We have some Ibotta rebates and everything in here as well. So let's go in the store and see what we can put together.
Okay, the first things we're gonna pick up for our haul today is more soap and glory. So the Ibotta rebates did reset for me, so that's why we're gonna take advantage of these. First thing we're gonna do is pick up 2 of the masks. I did just scan this one before I lost service, and I did this one last time, so I know these will work. Soap and Glory is all month long until the 28th. Buy one, get one half off. So I'm gonna grab, I don't know if this one worked. I lost service right before it came back. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They are pore refining masks. I am using that 20% off coupon like I mentioned. So this will be $4, that one will be 50% off at $2. That is $6. 20% off would be $1.20. Then we're gonna get $2 back for this one and $2 back for this one. That'll give us back $4. So that is $5.20 of savings. Final cost is just 40 cents each. Really excited about that. Next deal we're gonna do is on the Fizzy balls. I purchased these last time. I'm gonna give these 2 gifts for my boyfriend's daughter. She loves this and bubble baths, of course. So we're gonna get 2 of these. Same deal, they are buy one, get one half off. One is gonna be $5, one is gonna be $2.50. That 20% off is gonna take off 75, like $1.50, I believe. And then, we're gonna get $2 back each. So I did scan these as well. We're gonna get $2 back each. So another $4. So that is $5.50 back. Final cost is gonna be just $1 each. So not bad. Cute little stocking stuffers as well. They're already pre-packaged and individual. Super cute idea for some last minute gift ideas or stocking stuffer ideas. So let's move on to our next deal. Nivea is on sale here at Walgreens. It was also on sale at CVS this week. The checkout 51 offer has expired, so that is gone. You can't get the $2 back anymore. It's been redeemed as many times as it allows. Best deal would be to grab these smaller guys. They are 8.4 fluid ounce. They are $6.99. Buy one, get one half off. So one would be $6.99, one would be $3.49. There is a $2 digital coupon and the 20% off that would come off as well. Then you're gonna get back the 3,000 points. Final breakdown and pricing that you would pay out of pocket is gonna be in the description box. There is still a ton of clearance. Look at all these orange tags all over the place for beauty. So we are here at the Revlon. I got this $10 off of any 2 participating Revlon or Almay cosmetics. So really, really high value Catalina that I'm gonna be using today. So I'm gonna pick up 2 products. I don't know which ones yet, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. I will show you guys at the end, but I need it to be at least $10 in value. I don't know if the overage would happen or not, but I need it to be $10 for my final math. That way I can use $50 in points to pay. Can also do Almay, which is down there if you can see. So I'll let you guys know at the end, but I will be doing this using the 20% off and then doing this $10 off coupon. Okay, so the next deal is on hair care. It's the same deal, so you can either do Head & Shoulders or Herbal Essences Buy or Renew. You can do them both. You just have to do them in separate transactions because the register reward is only going to print once per transaction. So if you're doing the clearance, you will not get the register reward, but the 5 off 2 will come off. So this would be $3.49 and $3.49. Say you got those. This is a conditioner and that's a conditioner. So that would only be $7. 5 off 2 would come off. That would be $2 or $1 each. The 20% off, I don't know if that would work with the clearance, but just giving you a heads up on that. So if you want to take advantage of this deal and get that register reward back, you do have to do one of the ones that are tagged, 2 off 1. I am gonna do the men's because I have somebody who purchases these from me. So they are 2 for $12. The 20% off, 20% off is going to come off, and that is going to be $2.40. 5 off 2 digital is going to come off, and it even shows it here in the ad. So that is going to be a total of $7.20 or $7.40 off. Sorry. Final math. Where's my little thingy? Let's see what the final math is. Final math is going to be paying $4.60 out of pocket, getting back that $3 register rewards, which is 80 cents each. Really, really good deal. Nice storage bags are on sale. Buy 1, get 2 free. Combined with that 20% off coupon, it's going to be a really, really hot deal. I need more of the quarts and the gallon. And, oh, these are freezer bags. These are normal. And I'm going to get one of these. No, I'm going to get one of these. Okay, so let's see if I have the final math written down. It's going to be about 80 cents each, 73 cents each. So really good deal on that. It also includes these little trash bags as well. So if you guys want that, you can do that one as well. The Bounty Essentials is part of the buy 3 at $4.99, get a $3 register reward. So we're going to pick up 1 of these and then 2 of the Charmin, which are down there. So let's grab one of these. Excuse me. Thank you. And then I'm going to grab 2 of these toilet papers. They are $4.99. There is a $1 off 1 for the Charmin and a $1 off 1 for the Bounty. Then the 20% off is going to take $2.99. We're going to pay $9.98. Get back a $3 register reward. Final cost is $2.33 each. So not a bad deal for some paper products. Next deal is on the juices. So the nice juices are buy 1, get 1 free. So they have the apple cocktail or the apple juice. I don't really know what the difference between those are as far as flavor. I'm not sure, but they're buy 1, get 1 free. I think they're supposed to have... No, they mustn't have it. Some stores carry a cranberry and some stores carry a lemonade as well. Looks like my store only has the apple juice. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these. The 20% off is gonna take off 36 cents, so it'll make it an even better deal for some juice. Okay, the deodorant deal that we're gonna do, I'm trying to put it together, is I'm gonna get some Old Spice, the Aqua Reef, and the Pure Sport, because this is the kind my boyfriend likes to use. Shove that in there. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 4 Gillette, Secret, or Old Spice and get 4,000 points back. So that'll be $6.99 and $3.49. Now, there are Ibotta rebates. It's something like this. I don't know exactly which scent because I don't have service to scan it for you guys. The other Ibotta rebate is on these clinical strength. You'll get $2 back each. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. I hope this scent works because I can't check it, but we'll give it a shot. These are $9.79. Second one's about $4.85. So there is a $6 off for digital coupon, which is amazing. Then the 20% off is going to take off $5.03. Pay $14.13. Get back $4 from Ibotta and 4,000 points. Makes them $1.53 each. The deal of the week is on Tide Simply, or it's on this 40 load of Downy. They're $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon. It works only one time, so you can get that one or you can get this one. Then the 20% off is going to take off 59 cents as well. Final cost is going to be just $1.36. So really, really good deal. Again, you can pick either one, whichever one you guys are looking for. Make sure you stock up on some laundry items. Another item that makes it a good deal is on these Palmolive. They're on sale, same price at CVS. CVS has a 25% off coupon. I personally have the 20% off coupon. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to grab this one. No, I'm going to grab this one. No, yeah, this one. Okay. I'm going to grab one of these. The 20% off will come off. That'll take off 19 cents. Final cost for this guy is going to be just 80 cents. So not a bad deal to grab some dish soap.
Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens and everything actually went perfectly. I had no issues. Sorry, the sun's like in my eyes. I'm like tearing up. No issues. All my digitals came off. The 20% off came off fine. So I'll show you my receipt. The only one hiccup was I forgot I already used my 5 off 2 Head & Shoulders coupon. So we didn't get another one. So I didn't get that $5 off. And I forgot to do the Crest toothpaste deal where you buy 3 and you get a $5 registry reward. But that's okay. I have like 80 tubes of toothpaste, so I don't need to do that deal. And total out of pocket, I wound up spending, sorry, hold on. It was $55.37, including taxes. I used $50 in points. It is a high point one. I used a lot of points, but I only paid $5.37 out of pocket. Submitted to Ibotta, $2 back for each of the masks that we got. It worked fine. When you're doing the Soap and Glory and you take a picture of your receipt, it won't grab it already and know that it's on your receipt. So you just have to go to the top, hit add offers, click the offer that you need, and then you'll just scan the barcodes at the bottom. It didn't work on these either. It didn't find them, I mean. So once I added them, it found them. They did apply. So I got $2 back for each of these. Then I got $2 back for each of the clinical strength deodorants. So in total, I got back $12. So that was super exciting. Got $12 back on that, and I only paid $5.36 out of pocket. So technically it's a moneymaker, but I did use a lot of points, $50 in points to pay today. But that's what they're there for. So it's super, super awesome. They have a ton of ways at Walgreens and CVS that you guys can save, build up your points, and then use your points for situations like today. I got all the paper products. Charmin toilet paper. We got beauty items, some good food items. I got back a $3 register reward for the Head & Shoulders. Then I got back another $3 register reward. Was from the Bounty Charmin deal. So we got back both of those. We got back 4,000 points for the Secret and Gillette deal. And that should show at the bottom. So it shows that I got back 4,000 points. I redeemed 50,000 points. So my ending balance is still 71,400 points. I do have 2 point booster coupons that I want to use. They're the Catalinas that printed. They're spend 20, get 5,000 points back. I do have some register rewards that I can use to help bring down that out of pocket, so it won't be too high out of pocket. I try to keep mine as low as possible for you guys. And I like to show you guys exactly what I wind up spending and swiping my card for, because a lot of couponers will say, you know, it winds up being free because they get back, you know, maybe they spend $25 out of pocket and get back $25 in points. But at the end of the day, you still took $25 out of your pocket, out of your budgeting for the week, and spent it on the item. So that's why I like to share with you guys my receipts so you can see exactly how much I'm spending out of pocket and how I'm putting together these deals to save as much as possible. So make sure you guys share this video for me with any of your friends and family or on your social media so we can help share and let other families save as much as possible, especially if we're on tight budgets. Christmas is super expensive with buying different gifts and the food and the feast, stuff like that. So if you guys have any questions, as usual, make sure you guys drop a comment and I will see you guys next time.